We've got an accounting hat and maybe a marketing hat and maybe it's a scheduling hat, maybe it's customer service. Hey everybody, Skip from Paragon Marketing Group in our second episode of Talk of the Town, where we're talking about strategy. Last time we talked about direction, decisions, and change. This time we're going to talk about action, time, and money. Let's not clown around with this topic. I know it's horrible. So the first thing we're going to talk about is action. You've put together this strategy, you've molded it, you've got it looking good, and then all of a sudden you don't take any action with it. You're thinking to yourself, why the hell would somebody even do that? Well, it happens all the time. You become just completely paralyzed as you analyze. Stop it. Once you put this strategy in place and you've got it all set up, take action, take a step, take movement forward, because if you don't take that first step forward, what's the point of even doing it? So don't be afraid of making mistakes. You may be afraid of what's going to happen, what's not going to happen, but you're not going to know unless you start, because you don't want to waste your time. We all have the same amount of time every single day. And as business owners, let's go back to the squirrels, because they come up all the time. You've got all these things always popping up as business owners. We got all the things that we have to do and all the things that happen every day. And as business owners, let's face it, we do wear a lot of hats. We've got an accounting hat and maybe a marketing hat and maybe it's a scheduling hat, maybe it's customer service, and they get heavy and they all start to fall over the place, and that's what happens with our time. You can't really mess up your time. Budget things out, get things set, and use your time so it's the best every single day, and you're maximizing your efforts, putting your strategy in place. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is money. We don't have endless buckets of money. If we did, that'd be great. But we don't. And here's why. Because this is, let's use this as our cup, right? This is your budget. This is all the money you have. But if you got all the squirrels popping up all over the place and they're taking you everywhere, sometimes you can lose track of what's going on. You have to buy some more equipment. Or maybe you have to go and you have to put more money into your marketing. Or, oh, somebody wanted you to sponsor that event. And look what happens. All of a sudden now you've got money overflowing what you've got set aside. Pay attention to where your dollars are being used as you implement your strategy so you don't get yourself in a serious financial issue, which can truly, truly hurt your business. So thanks for watching this episode today. If there's something you want to see us talk about over the course of the year, let us know. Drop us a line, give us a call. We'll take a look at it. If it's something we can squeeze in there, we'll get it to you. Because if you need to talk about it and you need to hear something about it from our perspective, chances are somebody else does too. So thanks for watching today. Check out our next episodes and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.